Welcome, guys! Today I'm gonna teach you the test. Hello, I am from PJ Weather and Birdie. Meet my name, Jessie. Pistons will open. Let's go! I read listen. Our first lesson is the animals scared of fireworks. Did you know why wolves can run on fireworks? 'Cause in reality, when fireworks was boom, the bird has panic. In this game, animals was scared on fireworks. Tap the fire button. You can see that wolves can run from loud effects. The birds can lag for 30 to 35 seconds. Let's go in music test. By the American Male will teach you.
Hi guys, my name is American Male. How is your teach of Jessie? Let's play a song. Interesting sound. Sneak it and looking at it at the bottom. Wolves are very bad. To start the test, tap the button. Just look it and listen. Goodbye.
Now see you and comment for this lesson. I have more videos. Goodbye. Don't forget to comment.